Your rug will never be crooked again. The secret behind making this perfect crochet rug is a repeating pattern of only 4 rows. If you master this repeat cycle, the rug practically makes itself. Don't believe it? Then stay until the end of this video and see how to start the second repeat. Now I'm going to show you a clip from the video where I show and teach you step by step how to make this rug. Follow along. I finished this row here. I'm going to turn the piece to the other side and start the next row. But before I do that, I'm going to show you the repeat here. Because the next row we're going to make will already be the start of our second repeat. It's a row that will be identical. It will be just like this first row here where we made these little blocks. So our repeat will be made up of these 4 rows here. This first row here with the little blocks and these other 3. So from the second to this 5th row, everything we've worked on up to this point we're going to repeat throughout our entire project. So it will always be these 4. The 4 little rows here will keep repeating throughout our piece. I'm going to show you now. I'm going to start making this next little row here, just so you can see that it's really going to be exactly the same thing, okay? Everything we did here in this first little row of blocks, we're going to do now. So I'm going to turn it over to the other side. And I'm going to start the next row here, which will be the first row of our second repeat. It's going to be just like this row we worked on here. I've finished the row here, and so we'll have this result. An open block here at the beginning, a closed block, 3 open ones. Closed block, 3 open ones. Closed, 3 open, closed, and here at the end an open block, just like we had here at the beginning. We ended up with an open block at the end. This way we finish our row here. And then you can see that it was exactly the same thing here, okay? The step by step is the same as in this row I just did with you. It follows the same step by step as this first row I worked on here. So here guys, I finished working my rows always using this 4-row repeat. So I did 1 repeat, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And then after finishing this 6th repeat, I started here 1 more time. As if I were going to do 1 more repeat, right? The 7th repeat, but I stopped here with just this row. I only did the first row here of the repetition. To finish this pattern here, making it symmetrical, the end of the piece here is symmetrical with the beginning. Did you notice how the first repeat row is what defines the start of the checkered pattern? And it's right at the beginning that you already ensure the symmetry of the work. I showed this special tip in another video that I posted here on the channel. I'll leave the link for you in the description of this video. It will also be pinned and highlighted in the comments, so you can access that lesson more easily. Just click the link below and you'll be able to watch the full step-by-step lesson. It's free and already available here on the channel. Now you already know how to make the center of the rug without any trouble. But what makes the finishing edge special so it doesn't get ruffled? You'll find out the answer in the full video. Step by step for this beautiful piece. This wonderful rug is already available here on the channel. I'll leave the link for you here in the description. And the full and free class is also already available on our website, JNY Crochet. You can access it there too. And stay tuned for the next tip video on how to make an edging that doesn't ripple. To make sure you don't miss it, subscribe to the channel. Take the opportunity to save this video so you don't miss this valuable tip. Share it with anyone you know who will find this video useful. And leave your comments here. If you've made a mistake while repeating patterns and your work turned out differently, thank you so much for your kindness. A big hug to you all. See you next time. Now I'd like to invite you to check out something that could help you. Let me know what you think. And now I'm going to invite you to check out something that can really help you. If you have trouble making your rugs perfect and keeping your stitch tension, if your rugs turn out crooked, like for example Diane's, she had this same problem, the same difficulty. She even had trouble learning crochet. Her piece would turn out crooked. Her little square would turn out crooked. And look at that. Her before and after. How her little square improved after she became my student, after taking my complete course. You can also be like Elaine, who used to crochet with very tight stitches, but after becoming my student and having access to my complete method, she improved too. She was able to make bigger rugs, and without them getting crooked. Her stitches became looser, and because of that, her rug turned out much more beautiful. The stitches became more even too, and you can see her rug from before and then after the course. If you also want to improve your crochet and make perfect rugs, join Club du Crochet now. Come become my student to get access to my complete method with rich content. Organized and high value, capable of transforming the way you crochet. The link for you to learn about Club du Crochet is here in the video description, or you can open your phone's camera and point it at this QR code on the screen. Come and become my student in Club du Crochet. Click the link below and I'll see you inside Club du Crochet. I'll be waiting for you.